Sharp eyes, silent footsteps, hunters hidden in the grass. All around them, the savannah watches, the tall grasses sway as if whispering survival secrets. This is the savannah, a vast, wild expanse of nature put to the ultimate test. Every moment of acceleration, every leap to survival, is a stroke in the relentless battle between predator and prey. Beneath the acacia trees, lions crouch with hunting intent, their manes blending into the grass. While above, vultures circle, as if to foretell the fate that awaits the weak. In this arena, nothing is promised except a pulse-pounding struggle for survival. The savannah, covering 20% of Earth's surface, is a vast and unique ecosystem primarily found in Africa. It is home to a rich diversity of wild animals, from elephants and lions to antelopes and antelopes. Beneath its beauty lies a relentless struggle for survival, especially during the dry season. In this harsh period, daytime temperatures fall above 104 degrees and drop below 59 degrees at night, placing immense stress on animals and plants. Grasslands dry out, trees become stunted, and rivers like the Mara shrink to pools where Nile crocodiles ambush prey. About 25% of animals perish due to water and food shortages. The savannah is a battleground of predator and prey. Lions hunting in packs capture large prey like wildebeests and zebras, but succeed only 25% of the time. Resources dwindle during the dry season, with vegetation covering just 40% of the land. African elephants, which consume about 330 to 660 pounds of food per day, often dig deep holes to find water, an action that not only helps them survive, but also provides water for smaller species. In addition, the ecosystem has adapted dramatically.